Welcome to another insightful video brought to you by Cybersec Consulting Leaders. Are you interested in cybersecurity but don't know where to start? Today, we're revealing a step-by-step guide to kickstart your career in this ever-important field. Let's dive in. First, perform a self-assessment. Understand your interests and aptitude. Are you fascinated by code? Or do you find yourself intrigued by policies and regulations? Your path will depend on your interests. Academic qualifications can vary, but a strong foundation in computer science or information technology will give you a head start. Some positions may require specialized degrees, so plan your education accordingly. Now it's time to build skills. Learn programming languages like Python, get comfortable with Linux, and understand networking basics. Cybersecurity is a wide field. Choose a specialization that aligns with your interests. Certifications like CISSP, CEH, and CompTIA Security Plus are not just acronyms. They're your ticket to higher employability and credibility. They can be a game changer in your cybersecurity career. Join cybersecurity forums, attend conferences, and seek mentorship. Networking not only helps you learn, but could also open doors to job opportunities. Experience is key. Start with internships or entry-level positions and work your way up. Real-world experience is invaluable in cybersecurity. Starting a career in cybersecurity requires dedication, continuous learning, and a passion for protecting digital assets. Follow this step-by-step process to embark on an exciting journey that will safeguard businesses and individuals from cyber threats. If you found this guide helpful, consider reaching out to us at Cybersec Consulting Leaders for tailored guidance and support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.